predictions for real estate and lending in 2026. Home prices. Home prices are going to continue to fall in Florida, Texas, and some of these other areas where they had the big booms. Just, it's going to happen. Well, that's my prediction anyways. Prices, Florida, Texas, are going to decline. These states experienced significant growth during the pandemic, but again, I feel like I'm beating the dead horse of insurance premium, higher taxes, overbuilding certain metros. It's now pressuring values. You go look at Cape Coral, Tampa, that whole west coast of Florida. We've got some properties in that area that we've got them as rentals and got them at a extremely great price because they're defaulted loans. The values in those areas are down significantly. Are they going to recover? Of course they will. Florida's like the roller coaster. Goes up, down, but for the time being, it's going to soften in those areas. So I don't expect sharp declines across every city, but I think the trend line for those two states points downward. I think you're going to see it in other major areas as well, that pricing softening. And in some, we've already seen 15 to 25% declines. And I think it's going to continue to slowly. Again, I'm not predicting any crash, nothing like 2008. I'm just telling people, if you're modeling out, and I see this a lot on Bigger Pockets of, 5% appreciation growth over the next 5 years. I would not bank on that. I would anticipate very little appreciation growth for the next 36 months. And then start some appreciation after that. But I think the next 36 months is going to be a little bit flatter on things. I'm still very bullish as always on real estate, where I think if you're holding for the next 5 to 10 years, you are going to do very well. It's just right now, kind of in that low. And 2026 is going to continue to be in that low as things start to flush out. Because we've got more job losses. We got areas that are just recovering again, where they went up too fast and now they're just coming back down. The last one, growth projection for 7E. 2025, we closed the year with nearly $60 million in capital raised and right around that 1,000 investor mark. My prediction for 2026 is we'll hit 100 million. We're going to grow by about 40 million this year. And I believe this is based off of, again, our disciplined underwriting, our careful selection of assets, our consistent operations, focusing on doing what we do best, which is being in the lending space on non-performing loans. Yes, we do originate some other correspondent loans for additional revenue, but basically everything involving the residential space and that single family, the loan. Yes, we have some real estate in the portfolio from properties we've taken back. We got strategies for those, but that is our primary focus in 2026. You're not going to see us all of a sudden start getting into, as I mentioned, these other asset classes like commercial office and starting buying downtown buildings or self-storage and doing a self-storage facility. That's not our cup of tea. So stay disciplined, stay focused, and we just want to keep doing what we're doing.